Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character jiàn or xiàn step by step. I will write it in standard script, then following one word and one sentence. Without further ado, let's write. jiàn ，This is a polyphone. It can be pronounced as jiàn or xiàn according to different contexts. As jiàn, it means to see, to meet. As xiàn means to appear. Kan jiàn to see. Now check this sentence. Have you seen my keys? Have you seen my keys? 你看见我的钥匙没有？你看见我的钥匙没有？Have you seen my keys? 你看见我的 mine 钥匙没有？你有看见我的钥匙吗？你看见我的钥匙没有？jiàn in cursive. Jiàn, to see, to meet. Xiàn, to appear. Kan jiàn, to see. Have you seen my keys? 你看见我的钥匙没有？ Okay, please comment any words or sentence with the Chinese character jiàn or xiàn. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click the bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.